If you're experiencing login errors on Cash App, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue effectively. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the issue persists. Step 2. Update the app. Make sure you have the latest version of Cash App installed. Go to your device's App Store, search for Cash App, and update it if a new version is available. Step 3. Verify your login credentials. Double-check that you are entering the correct email address or phone number and password. If you're unsure, use the Forgot Password option to reset your password. Step 4. Clear app cache. If you're using an Android device, go to Settings, find Cash App, and clear the cache. For iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the app to clear the cache. Step 5. Contact Cash App support. If none of the above steps work, reach out to Cash App support for assistance. You can do this through the app or their official website to get help with your login issues. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve your login errors on Cash App. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek further assistance from customer support.